I don't know what enjoying shit is going on out here, but someone's been driving on the grass. Look at this. This is ridiculous. I'm gonna follow where it goes. I hear birds. Ugh, it's cold outside. I never traveled this far before. What was that? Oh, I seen something. So it's where's this lead to now? Well, she did not bad, but what was that? What's that in there? Oh, it's just a fan. Thought I see someone. Thought I see some half scarecrow, half mansion. Flowers. Man. Now, where's Bigfoot now, huh? You hear that? Wait. What's that sound? You know what? I'm out of here. I better leave this scene now before it's too late. That was a close one.